Looks like Razer is cooking up something new. Or maybe, kind of familiar? Yup, early leaks of the Razer DeathAdder V4 Pro just hit the internet, thanks to @Hidoshi1107 on X. And at first glance, this might feel like deja vu for fans of the V3 Pro. From the top down, the design looks almost identical. Same iconic DeathAdder silhouette that FPS gamers know and love. But don't let that fool you. When you overlay the V4 Pro image on top of the V3 Pro, there's actually a subtle but sharper curve in the body. It's not super obvious in pictures, but if you're picky about your grip, especially during long gaming sessions, that change in curvature might just make it feel more natural in the hand. Now let's talk buttons. The side buttons on the V4 Pro have been completely redesigned. They're a bit smaller, rounder, and spaced out more than before. That might seem minor, but if you've ever accidentally hit both side buttons during a clutch play, you'll understand why this is a big deal. It's those small ergonomic touches that can make a difference in fast-paced gaming. One of the most noticeable upgrades? The 2.4 GHz wireless receiver. The old one had that chunky trapezoid look, but this new one is sleeker and comes with 3 indicator lights on the front. We're not sure what those lights are for yet, maybe battery, signal strength, or connection status. But here's the exciting part. There's speculation it might double as a charging dock. If true, that could be a massive quality of life improvement. As for the bottom of the mouse, the PTFE feet, or mouse skates, look like they've had a slight redesign too. They're a bit more rounded and could give smoother glides across your pad, kind of like skating on ice. Not a total game changer, but still nice. Internally, no official word yet, but the rumor mill is buzzing about a possible 8,000 Hz wireless polling rate, which would be insane for competitive players. It's also safe to assume Razer might be refining the internals for better battery life, or lighter weight, even though the V3 Pro was already super light. Oh, and let's not forget the scroll wheel, one of the biggest complaints from past users. If Razer's listening, we're hoping for a smoother, more durable scroll, maybe even a dust-proof encoder this time. So yeah, while the V4 Pro might not look radically different, it seems like Razer's going with the don't fix what isn't broken approach, just refining the shape, tweaking the buttons, and hopefully boosting performance under the hood. What do you think? Is this just a safe refresh, or something worth upgrading to? Drop your thoughts below. And hey, if you want more honest, hype-free tech breakdowns, hit that like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace.